Did you know that some compounds have extra charges that make them way more reactive? These are called radicals, and they break the rules of ordinary chemistry. Let's uncover how to write their chemical formulas. This video covers how to write the chemical formula for compounds containing radicals. A radical is a compound that contains unpaired electrons. All radical compounds have charges. Some examples of these compounds include sulfate, nitrate, and ammonium. Radical compounds are very reactive. For instance, sodium reacts with sulfate and forms sodium sulfate. Did you know that radicals play a huge role in our atmosphere? The ozone layer is made of ozone, and free radicals help break it down, which is why pollution can be so damaging. How do you write the chemical formula for compounds with radicals such as sodium sulfate? The same rules for writing simple compounds are also used for these compounds. First, write down the name of a compound, for instance, sodium sulfate. Write down the chemical symbol of elements in a compound. The chemical symbol for sodium is Na. The chemical symbol for sulfate is SO4 with a -2 sign. Write down the valency number of the element and the radical. The valence number for sodium is 1. The valence number of sulfate is 2. Finally, cross over valence number of the element and the radical on the top. This becomes Na2SO4. This is the chemical formula for sodium sulfate. Let's consider some more examples. Write the chemical formula for ammonium chloride. We have the name of the compound, ammonium chloride. The chemical symbol of ammonium is NH with a +1 charge. The chemical symbol for chloride is Cl. The valence number of ammonium is 1, and the valence number of chlorine is 1. Then cross over the valence numbers. This becomes NH4Cl, and this is the chemical formula for ammonium chloride. The last example, write the chemical formula for calcium nitrate. We have the name of the compound, calcium nitrate. The chemical symbol for calcium is Ca. The chemical symbol for nitrate is NO3 with a -1 charge. The valence number of calcium is 2, and the valence number of nitrate is 1. Cross over the valence numbers. This becomes Ca brace NO3 brace 2. This is the chemical formula for calcium nitrate. Alright, let's test your skills. Drop a comment with the correct chemical formula for magnesium phosphate. Remember, use the crossover method. I'll be checking the comments for the right answer. To recap, radical compounds are compounds that contain unpaired electrons. To write the chemical formula of substances with a radical compound, first write the name of the compound. Write the chemical symbol of the element and radical compound. Write the valence number of the element and the radical compound. And finally, cross over the valence numbers. Now that you've mastered writing formulas for radical compounds, get ready to dive into something even wilder: why atoms actually bond the way they do. Stay tuned. Stay curious.